letter H. H stands for hippo. The hippo hung on to a helium balloon. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase h. It's like a printed H, but with a loop. Put your pencil on the baseline and slant right up to the top line. Then curve left along the top line and go straight down to the baseline, closing a loop. Make a curve up and to the right from the baseline to the dotted line. You don't retrace the downstroke. Then go back down again and end with a smile. Write the letter H in the air. Let's practice. Let's write an uppercase H. You're going to make two straight lines and a loop that crosses both lines. Put your pencil on the top line and draw a slanted line down to the baseline. Lift your pencil from the paper and draw another line from top to baseline, to the right of the first line. At the baseline, curve up and to the left towards the dotted line. Cross your first vertical line, then curve down and cross it again. Sweep your line to the second vertical line, crossing it. Write the letter H in the air. Let's practice. Let's write an uppercase H and connect it to a lowercase h. Take the line that closes the loop and use it to connect to the next letter. Now we can write the word for a big laugh. Ha! We can write a big exclamation. Aha! Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills.